All right, what it is, what it ain't, what's up? Alexander Fresco, Visuals AF is in the building, and today we are doing some more self-portraits. So yeah, what we're gonna be doing today is gonna be doing waist up shots, no waist down, only waist up. And also we are going to be shooting with the Canon EOS R with the 35mm lens. It's one of my favorite lenses, and that's how we, you know, do what we do when we doing it. Thank y'all for watching the video and subscribing and all other things that you all do. Thank y'all for giving me the support and showing me all the love. Until next time, hope y'all like the shots. It's Visuals AF. We out, baby.